Welcome to Earth Science. What we're going to do for today and the weekend is maybe the slightly harder part of tectonics, but I'll make the quiz fairly easy for you guys. We all know the situation we're in. What we're going to do here is look at the tectonic plates and the boundaries, and what we really got to get down are the types of boundaries, like in cross sections. So if I could look into South America like from the side, see what's going on here with these two, that's the goal. I'm not really going to worry about the transform a whole lot with this because there's not much to study, but what we really got to focus on, and I think I'll do it in different videos so that we don't get too dragged out here, are the divergence and the convergence. So if you did Monday's stuff and you played with this a little bit and then you went to your computer and you played with the earthquake monitor, again, the premise was that where we live, this is Google Earth, up here in New York, not really a whole lot to worry about with earthquakes. There's one up in Canada, and this is like a live feed of the last week's worth of earthquakes. Just not a whole lot happening tectonically. And that's the situation when you live towards the middle of a tectonic plate. You're relatively safe from these things. It's where the plates interact with each other, where they're trying to grind past each other or grind into each other, that tectonically stuff happens. So if you live where that's the case, like over in the west coast of the United States, let's go down here into like the San Andreas area, and you're going to see there's just a ridiculous number of earthquakes that are happening all over the place constantly. And most of these are small ones. Like if you live locally, you'd feel it, and it's just kind of part of everyday life up there, over there. And again, it's because of the interaction of these tectonic plates. Alaska is usually even more active. If we go up to Alaska, and this is one of the boundary types we'll have to look at in a minute here. Convergent boundary there along the Aleutian Islands, that island chain that comes off of Alaska. It's usually pretty earthquakey. There you go. Alright, so again, that's a lot. Whereas where we are, it's a plate trying to move over the curved surface of the Earth. There's going to be places where they happen time to time away from plate boundaries, but look at that. I mean, that's just not a whole lot. Down there towards the New Madrid zone, there's a few sometimes, but where we live, pretty safe. So that's going to be the premise. What is the deal with specifically with these type of boundaries and these type of boundaries? We got really 5 we got to get down, and I think the quiz might be as simple as here are the 5. Tell me which is which. We've got to deal with divergence on land, divergence in water, then convergence, where there's 3 types, where you get ocean into land, or you get ocean into ocean, or you get land into land. There's only one of those. India into Asia. All right, so it'll take a minute to plow through those, but again, I'll try to make the quiz easy and have that be the weekend thing. We'll try a thing or two next week and call tectonics good. Hope you're doing well. Happy Friday. 2 more videos to come, but Abe says, welcome to Earth Science.